Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my physics course channel. Here I'm gonna to share something regarding the problem solving in dynamic electricity. The material is Kirchhoff law. Yes, this we have one question for circuit in two loops. Yeah, so we can solve this problem using by the Kirchhoff law. Okay, before we going to solve this problem, let's we introduce you about the Kirchhoff law. The Kirchhoff law are consists to total current in the when the current on the uh, point, yeah, equals to total current when they come out. Yes, this is the first Kirchhoff law. And then the second one is total electromotive force plus total multiplication of IR equals to 0. I is current and R is resistance. Okay, we will use this formula. We use this formula to solve this problem. Okay, we start about the applied of Kirchhoff's first law. If we see on this junction, on this point, we can use the formula of Kirchhoff's first law. Yeah, that's the current in is I1. Yeah, and then come out is I2 plus I3. Okay, we have one equation from this uh, law that I1 equals to I2 plus I3. So now we will use the second law about the total EMF plus total IR equals to 0. But this is we will use in the each loop. Let's say this is loop 1. Yeah. On the loop 1, yeah, we go back here. In the loop 1, we have for the EMF is 3.0 volt, and then in this loop only 3.0 volt. Yeah, there is no other EMF. And then for I we have plus I1, yeah, and then I1 across 10 ohms resistor, and then I2 cross resistor 20 ohms. So we put here 20 and then equals to 0. Okay. And we simplify that 10 I1 plus 20 I2 equals to minus 3. Let's say this is equation 2. So after that, we see on the loop 2, this is loop 2. So this is a loop 2. So on the loop 2, we have minus 1.5. Why is minus 1.5? Because the loop direction it's come to negative negative polar. Yeah, this is polarity of negative and this is polarity of positive. And the loop 1, this is polarity positive and this is negative. And then why we use positive? Because this is come from positive polar. So, and then on the loop 2, we have plus I2 and cross 20 ohms. Yes. Then um, I3, negative I3. Yeah, why is negative I3? Because the direction I3 and the direction loop is opposite. So on the I3, that I3 is not cross any resistor, so we can put here is 0, equals to 0. If we simplify this equation, yeah, that we get 20 I2 equals to 1.5, or we get I2 equals to 1.5 divided by 20, it's equal to 0.075 ampere. Okay, we already get the I2 0.075 ampere. So what about the I1 and I3? I1 and I3, we can use this formula, this equation, or this equation. We can use this equation because this is I2 and we get I1. So if we substitute into this equation, 10I1 plus 20 I2, this is I2 0.075, yeah, equals to minus 3. Okay. 10I1 plus, this is 0.75 times 2 equals to 1.5 equals to minus 3. So we get 10I1 equals to minus 4.5. So we get the I1 equals to 4.5 divided by 10, here is 0.45, but in negative, yeah, ampere. Okay, we get I1 and I2. So what I3? The I3, it will become from this equation, yeah, from this equation, that I1 equals to I2 plus I3. So if we substitute, the I1 is negative 0.45 and I2 is 0.057 plus I3, and then we get I3 equals to negative 0.45, negative 0.075. So we get the by addition this number, we get the 1 7 plus 7 5, and then 7 plus 5 is 2 and 5, and then 0.525 ampere. Okay, finally we get three numbers of currents here. I1 is negative 0.45 ampere, I2 is 0.075 ampere, and I3 is negative 0.525 ampere. Why negative? Because this is the direction is opposite with the how we numbers to solve it. Yeah, if we use this is I1 is positive, but we get this is negative, so the direction of I1 come to going down or opposite or anti-clockwise. Yeah, here is 0.045 ampere. Sorry, 0.45 ampere positive. And I2 is positive. Then I2 is the same thing with the on this diagram. But I3 is negative, so the direction of I3 is opposite. We decide that I3 equals to 0.5 to 5 ampere on the opposite direction with I3 on the diagram. So the I3 equal the direction of I3 like anti-clockwise. Okay, this is my video of regarding problem solving in physics, material in electricity, uh, about the Kirchhoff law, Kirchhoff first law and second law. Thank you very much for your watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and tick the notification. Bye bye. See you on the next video on Physics Corner. Thank you very much.